right. Most of you already know this, but there is a schedule built into your course so you know where you should be on which date. I'm going to show you a couple of ways to find that schedule and how you can use it to know your pace and where you should be. So one way is if I just click on grades and we go to the grades screen, you can see what you're missing. So right off the top, it's going to show you if it's been late or if something is missing. Some things won't show as missing yet, even though the due date is passed. So, but if it shows a 0, then that would be where you are. That's missing. Another way is to go over here to the calendar on the left. And if you click on calendar, it will show you in a calendar format what is due on each day. And if it's crossed out, that means it is done. So you don't have to worry about it. Now, this student is, if this were me, I'm slightly behind. I should be right here. The gray colored square shows me where I should be. So if you're a little bit behind, one way to get caught up is just do something every day until you're caught up instead of every other day. You'll notice most things are due on every other day. The other option, if you're really far behind, is that you can ask me or email me or go to my Get Help website and get a new pacing calendar. So if I go back to my homepage and I look down here, another way you can get to this schedule is right here. Down here is a link to the schedule. It's also in your modules. When you go to modules, you can either click on schedule here or you can go to modules, and it's in the very first introductory module. It is class schedule. When you open that up, it's going to take you to the class schedules for your term. So we're in the fall, so you pick your semester that you're in. So if I'm in semester 1, I can open this up and it's a kind of a table of where you should be on each day. And this is when I say a new pacing calendar, this is what I mean. I will mark complete the things that you have completed over here on the right. And then wherever you are, let's say you're right here on 9/7 and that's not done yet. Let's say this is complete. Then I will adjust these dates so you will still finish on time, but it'll just kind of spread it out over days. So you will still be done on time, but instead of this being 9/8/7, it'll be like 9/20, 9/21, 9/22. You might not have 2 days for everything, but it's just another way. If you need help to not sure where you are, make sure you contact me and I can help you so you can stay on track and get things done. So please do that, and always go to my Get Help page. So on the page right here, it says Get Some Help. If you ever click on Get Some Help, it will take you to my website where you can book an appointment. These are my office hours, but if those don't work, please let me know. I'm usually pretty flexible, can work things out. I have help videos, so make sure you go to read the instructions, go to the recordings link up here and click your course and click recordings. Request a video. If you have other questions, right here, would you like an updated pacing calendar? You can click here and it'll take you to a form where you can complete a form that says your name, what your math class is, and what's the number and name of last section you've completed, and I can get you a new pacing calendar. So please use the resources you have available, and thanks for doing the weekly check-in.